touched the sky.
Never got back till the 4th of July.
Walking the dog, just a walking the dog. If you don't know how to do it, gonna show you how to walk the dog. Come on, Bubby.
Mary, quite contrary. How does your garden grow? You got the silver bells, you got the shell, and 30 maids all in a row. Walking the dog, just a walking the dog. If you don't know how to do it, I'll show you how to walk the dog. If you don't know how to do it, I'll show you how to walk the dog. If you don't know how to do it, I'll show you how to walk the dog.
Hey, Ernest, hey, Ernest, check it out. Now put that dog down. Look who's here. It's Mr. Ronnie T. Yeah. Hey, Carlos, let's tell him about that brand new dance, the funky chicken. Yeah, that's how I do it. You raise your left arm up and your right arm too. Let me tell you just what to do. You start both of them flapping, start your feet kicking. That's when you know you're doing a funky chicken. Yeah! Woo! Put both arms up across your face, your knees start wiggling all over the place. You flap your arms, your feet start kicking. Oh, then you know doing that funky chicken. Hey, oh, oh, yeah. Feel good. I love them horns. Blow, daddy. I feel so unnecessary. You know, this is the kind of stuff that makes you feel like you want to do a little something nasty. Nasty, like smearing chicken gravy all over your clean white shirt. Smell that chicken thigh. That'll make my giblets tickle. Oh. Both arms up across your face, knees start wiggling all over the place. Flap your arms, your feet start kicking. Then you know you're doing the funky chicken. Bah! Woo! Do the chicken, do the chicken, do the chicken. Hey, do the funky chicken now. Do the funky chicken now. Oh, do the funky chicken now. Come on, everybody, clap with me. Do the funky chicken now. Do the funky chicken now. Hey, hey, do with that chicken stuff. I stepped in something. Hold on, hold on. Hey, hey, do the funky chicken now. 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 Do I feel funky? Does a chicken have lips?